sa telepon. Papaayos natin ng ating telepon para meron tayo pang marathon. Ayan siya.
May-ari nito.
May-ari ng shop. Sana all, may-ari ng shop.
Di ba kung paa?
Ayun, wala ko na yung paa.
Huwag mo kunin yung paa.
Wala ko na ba?
Meron ka na dito, walang paa.
Ayan, kuha naman.
Ganda ng smile, oh.
Smile.
Piling siyang may-ari, oh. With video pa to, te. Uy, dami na. Tama na yan. Ayan. May another telephone. Inshallah. Inshallah. Para meron tayo pang marathon. Marathon. It dinner cases lang. Wala rin sa'yo, te.
Doon sa Singapore pwede.
Punta tayo.
Kaya kung lalayo. Yung sa ano nga, yung sinabi mo, nakita ko yung...
Hoy, sige, iwan mo na ako.
Hindi ka naman niya kakainin.
Ayan guys, ayusin nila yung battery. Kasi wala silang battery dito na ganon. Sana mag-work out. Dito kami pumunta sa Gosi. Sa Gosi. Para maayos lang ang ating telephone. Ganda ng cases na yan. Ang cute.
Oppo 185? Very big, right? You want this one? What is that?
What in it? Only 65. The program, nothing. Nothing, no, I just give you
What about that?
good price. No, this one, the
65?
65 last ones. So only 60. Samsung, not an
Ang ingay nila doon. Picture taken. Ang iingay nila. La la la. Hala.
Tayo, wala tayong picture. Nag-picture kami.
Nakita ko nga. May towel ako sa likod. Oh. Kasi basa.
Minsan,
Ano ba?
kasi may ilaw.
Huwag mong sabihin na ano.
Ang
Sige na.
pangit.
Sige.
Kasi doon maganda. Ganun lang pangit. There is a chance, brother.
Yeah, ako nga lang.
Check.
Sawi ope. Sawi operasyon.
Pagkikicture. Brother, why you hide your face? He's scared to the camera.
He scared you. Tinda
Why
camera.
you scared me? You're my son. You're still my son, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
I will not make you bleed. Ano yan?
Ransom.
Yeah, I'll come.
He afraid. You make ransom.
Yeah, I will not blackmail you. I tell this man, take my gold.
ಟಚ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದು
ടച്ച് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല സാധനം ചാർജ് ആവുന്നതെല്ലാം ഉണ്ട് പക്ഷെ ടച്ച് മാത്രം ഓക്കെ ഇതൊന്നുമില്ല ഇതിന്റെ ആക്സറീസ് ഒന്നും നമ്മളില്ല ഇല്ലേ സോറി എന്ത് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ ഇവിടെ നിർത്തി പട്ടി അടിച്ചത് ഒന്നാമതായിട്ട് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും കൂടെ ആഴ്ച ചിലപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ ആവില്ല
അതാ
ഓക്കെ
Diyan ang ayos.
Yan ang naayos niya.
Kaya nga. Ay, ate. Sana maayos. Ayan, guys.
Asan ang headphone nila?
Ha?
Head.
Headphone? You have headphone here?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Where? I can't find it. Inside?
Come here.
Ay, it's okay to come inside?
No, bro.
Yala, go inside.
They have CCTV here. If you
In your heart? Oh my God, so they need to open your heart.
This one.
Yala.
Last one, okay? Ano po?
Yan, mayroon silang magandang sales lady.
ayun, ano
Kung papasok yung isang sales lady.
Dikit-dikit, ano to?
Sa camera. Pag ganito mo ano yan o, para di siya, wag mo na bagsak.
Parang hindi siya.
Para siyang temper.
Ay, parang ikakabit lang din siya. Connect.
Wala ka na, hindi ganyan ang telepono.
Da, bili ka ng iPhone.
Ay, naku. iPhone ka pa ba? Tama na yung ito. Ito.
You want something, madam?
Only I like you.
How much is this one? You will give it free, right?
Ay, di wow.
I give my heart only for. This is not my show.
Boom.
How much this one?
Which one?
This.
This one 5 BD. Another one. Give me 4 BD, no problem. Another one 10 BD.
10?
10. Talata. 3.
3?
3 BD.
Yeah.
3 BD.
So the black is different?
Yeah. Black is very good quality.
Black
What
is
is
the
good? The
Black is good. Black your dress. Are you good?
good.
Edi, for dinner la? Oh. Discount 1 dinar.
One dinner discount.
Yeah, because your heart is discounted.
Oh my god. Only money making heart, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You're tell.
Yala, you talk na lang. We didn't hear each other. What is discounted? What is connected? Mag-Bluetooth na. Ayaw mo ng Bluetooth?
Meron ako, mami.
Uy, may Bluetooth na ang ganda. Parang siyang maliit na bag.
Check, check.
Ganun.
Yes, I'm checking.
Wait, sit here, look.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Why are you afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Oh.
Shy girl, shy girl.
No, I'm not. And this one, 2BD.
No, 3 video.
3 bid and in discount la?
It's already discount. It's 4
Mm.
sale, I give you 3 video.
Ang cute kasi ng black eh.
Hindi yan na lang black kasing kunin mo.
Nako.
Puro dinar. May 1 dinar discount. Charts.
Magkano utang ko sa'yo, mami?
Utang mo sa akin?
2BD, no?
Hayaan mo na yun.
Mayaman si
I'm
Mama.
not gonna work.
Ang dami na nga niya.
Oh my
Mapi?
God.
My God, please.
The old battery is not coming. That is the problem.
Why that battery Samsung coming?
Samsung not coming.
Anong inaano mo dyan? Pinipili.
Babalik ko sa kanyang box.
Bakit ayaw mo ng black?
Ah, gusto.
Ang likod ko.
Okay, I will sell this one.
Bullshit ka.
Mamaya mawala dyan.
Bakit hindi pala kayo
You are trying to propose me, huh?
Wedding ring.
Oh my God!
Why this much fast?
Oh my God! Halika na nak. Lumabas ka na ka dyan.
Sige naman, relax.
Little slow.
Ikaw pa daw ang nag-offer.
Kaya pa nagpro-propose daw.
I'm not doing
Propose?
proposal. This is for the proposal for this one.
Adik to eh.
Bakit hindi
nako.
kayo pala pupunta ng ano? Hindi kayo maghuhulog?
Saka na lang next month na lang. Paayos ko muna cellphone ko.
Ikakash ko na yun. Sa next
Wala naman kasi si OG rin. Wala rin naman siyang pang ano daw. Saka na lang daw. O di, ako lang mag-isa pupunta.
Wala rin si Man
Oh,
Mercy.
kaya nga. Kaya yung cellphone ko muna inuna ko next month na lang. Mayroon sanang pangbayad kasi nagbigay si madam ng ayuda 20. Yun ang panghulog ko doon. Last month na naman